Insurance and shit. I'm on China.
Okay. I'll make us.
Yeah, that's all that counts.
Alright, guys, I'll create a squad. Join India squad.
Alright, I will when I can.
Alright, man, take your time. Come on, give me somewhere to spawn. Every vehicle is occupied.
It's fucking hot in here, man.
It's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes. Everybody want to take off them clothes that day.
Mac, where's Mac? What happened to
I'm
Mac?
right here, broski.
We're lagging as fuck.
Oh, you like shooting like Orlando?
Yeah. We are live, gentlemen. We are live.
All station commander is online.
I think I have everything already set up here.
抽派遣撤离车辆。
We got parachuter coming in. Times 2.
Damn, Orlando.
Got one.
I love this too.
You love what?
Suck ass nigga.
Nice. Blow it up.
TT can't. Oh. We got a sniper on this rooftop behind us. Hit him. Ooh!
Like that.
You gotta live. Ready?
Oh shit! 50 caliber.
Yeah.
Delta rooftop.
Delta rooftop.
Delta rooftop 50 caliber sniper rifle. He give me one shot and kill me. I'm running at next thing I heard is pew!
Careful. I heard it too. Go ahead, Orlando. If you want to get in with me. Oh no, he fucking had flashbangs.
We got helo going up. What we doing? What we doing? Which elevator is this fucking up? Damn, bad spawn, man. I didn't even know where the hell I was.
Fucking because I blinded him too. Oh yeah, you can.
I'm going over alpha spawn. Oh shit, another one down there.
Yeah, I know. Because it has the concussion report.
Yeah, that's in and resort. Oh shit, I need to step properly with this tank. I need to move up and step properly.
Objective Echo is neutralized. Objective Echo is neutralized.
Hey, get in, dude, get in. There's a guy upstairs across the road. He's dead.
Ooh, nice hit.
Lift off, Hilo. Lift off, man. Let me move, man. Sure. I think we got a tank on this bridge. Yes, we do.
Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
You fucked up. Bristol, boy. There's a boy there from Bristol, my city. Oh, shit. I gotta send him a friend request. Yeah, Bristol, boy. Just kill a guy from Bristol. We got a tank behind us.
There's a hostile tank.
RPG coming in. We're dead. No, we survived. We're great too. Oh, shit. $12.02. Yes, sir. Midday.
your current location.
Stay outside, sucker. Stay outside, sucker.
Oh the shit downstairs,
I'm
are
at
crazy.
Bravo.
Bravo downstairs, Bravo downstairs, Bravo downstairs.
I am on the team with y'all. What do you mean?
Oh, get in my squad.
There's another guy around there.
What squad are you on?
India squad. Told you guys from the beginning and say, yeah, you coming, you coming.
Yeah, you and Danny going to India squad. Well,
How is Hilo doing?
yeah, you gotta get in.
We're gonna get fucked up.
Not me.
We're gonna have to jump, boys. Jump, boys, jump. Oh, shit.
There's somebody in the bottom of Bravo behind the closed gate.
Just north of your location.
Commander,
Who's in the heli? Go to Bravo,
shit.
please.
I can't, I'm not flying.
You got a fucking 5 kill, bro.
Wow, nice. Wow.
I'm your commander.
Alright.
Currently your commander.
Who's commander?
Disregard.
Oh, yeah, he's commander, ain't it? Why don't you go across Alpha, man? Ah, there's a lab right outside Alpha, too.
Explore Nambo. Got a heli right by Charlie. Hey, if you can, try to mark or spot people for me, because I don't have infrared.
是的，我看到了敌军坦克。
Hilo rooftop.
我需要你攻击这个目标。
You got a guy on Alpha. Just left the roof. He's dropping down to the Bravo parking lot.
Be advised, objective Bravo has been neutralized. 攻击这个目标，不需要攻击这个目标。攻击这个目标。
Send a drone over Jackson.
Right side. Careful, look out for the Hilo, though.
Objective Bravo.
Get out of here.
I just brought down the enemy tackle.
Fucking not dead.
You don't need
Rooftop. Rooftop. Rooftop, Mac.
North of your position, there's an enemy machine gunner. 攻击这个目标。
RPG, I think. The jumping. They're all jumping. Elo's up, Mac. Elo's up. Elo's up.
我发现了敌军直升机。
He's chasing us right above us.
There appears to be an enemy machine gunner. North
He's
of
on
your
Echo side, Mac. He's on Echo side. He's coming towards us from Echo.
Marky, targets. We'll go shoot him, kill him. And we'll give you points so you can drop cruise missiles.
Listen up.
You got me too, Danny.
It looks like there's an enemy sighting.
There's a guy in
Yeah.
the corner.
I dropped some supplies on Alpha. Oh, make it Delta, actually.
You can't ban
He's on
somebody.
Bravo, tank chasing it. Oh shit! I got killed in action. My own slams blow the tank, damaged him for... You need one more hit and the slams killed me.
Spawn on me. I'm at Delta.
How was that last map? How'd you guys like that? I think I dropped all three of them. Or at least once.
Just west of where you're at. I spotted an enemy sniper.
Got all
Enemy sniper.
when I started, there's five people on each side. Crazy.
Have eyes on enemy hostile. Just west of your position.
That's supplies on.
Building coming down.
Objective Bravo has been neutralized.
I'm coming to pick you up, Orlando, right behind
Wait,
you. Come on, let's go.
wait. Move up the mines, dude.
Come on,
You
let's
fucked
go.
my shit up.
All right.
Wait. Tank across, man. Hey, Mark, I need to bug out. I need to get out.
Enemy machine gun is spotted east of your location.
Waiting right there. Got me
What the
killed.
fuck? Guys on the rooftop. Guys on the rooftop.
There's an enemy machine gun east of your location.
Give me a hit. Give me a sweet hit. Shit. Close. See the fire light up off his ass.
Just lose that jackpot now.
Okay, be advised we have lost
Brady just
objective
got
Echo.
No, Mac is always slow on that, man. Mac is always slow on that.
You gotta give me a second.
Whoa, where the fuck did the RPG come from?
We've lost objective Delta.
Can you talk to yourself? Yeah.
Eyes on hostile sniper. Just north of your position.
Bitch. Found you, motherfucker.
Wrap it up. You got some lines
Sending
there.
a missile on Delta.
This is actual. Missile strike launched. Stand by.
Nope. Incoming. ETA 3 seconds.
The
Fucking
guy from the main road. LMG on top of them buildings, man. Shit.
Shit, man. Yeah, he's getting me. Yeah.
LMG across that building on fucking
shoot.
Charlie.
What the hell you want to be in the gunner seat for? Shoot.
Shit, got LAVs and shit coming up.
A lot of individuals.
Jesus. Fucking dirtbag. Did you put sugar and cream?
I've spotted an enemy machine gunner. Due east of where you're at. Hold control of objective Alpha. Be advised, objective Echo has just been lost.
Tranquilito.
There appears to be an enemy soldier south of your location.
Put that LMG down, bitch. Payback. Bastard.
Supply drop was
All
just
LMG, I'm taking you out. Delta rooftop crazy.
Objective Bravo is now under our control.
It looks like half their team.
We took Alpha.
Dude, they're a lot on Delta rooftop.
Oh, good shit. That's a Lambo. Who is that?
Reloading, I see the tank, I see the tank. Tank on both sides of us.
You got a guy right across from you.
Delta rooftop seems alright.
I have eyes on the enemy.
The parachute. Charlie, parachute in Charlie.
Yeah, sniper.
Yeah, but I see him. Getting shot at. Those sniper there.
Sniper on the rooftops.
Yeah, we got a sniper right across the street. Your side of the river.
Just within your location. Enemy LAV spotted.
That looks like two snipers.
Got a hit.
Objective Charlie.
Enemy
Come on.
right
Come on, pop your head up again, bitch.
Missile launch.
Plant another cruise
Impact
missile.
seconds away.
Got him.
Headshot, bitch. Sniper on the left, on the right, dead. Enemy healer, bravo, enemy healer. Fuck him up, fuck him up!
Come on, man.
Objective Delta.
I'm still getting sniped at.
You did, bitch, Mr. Muscle. Put that LMG down. Healer right here, healer right here. Shit!
There's multiples over Alpha.
Where's the transport helo at? No, our transport.
Careful, Mac. Careful, Mac. Two enemies behind you.
Put a supply drop on Charlie.
No X-ray
one.
mark.
Helo Alpha.
Yeah, there's no tangos over there.
Objective Charlie has been neutralized. Hostile tank spotted. Just west of where you're at.
A beacon down in Alpha, guys. I got a beacon down in Alpha.
Those two snipers are still over there.
Yeah, I'm still getting sniped at.
Where are you? Where are you?
Be advised.
Here, I'm gonna press square. I'm gonna pick you up and tell me where the snipers are. Here, where you going? Where you going, bro? I'm right here. He ran to me. For real?
He ain't escaping, bitch. Stand and die like a well-disciplined VC.
Yeah, they're at Delta. They're right across the street on the same side of the river as Delta.
Just north of where you're at, there appears to be a hostile
You were to
tank.
come across that bridge, basically right across that street, up the stairs there. Run another scan. It looks
All right.
like they're all over.
I
Delta
got
now.
one. All right, keep them coming. Keep them busy. Keep them busy. There we go. There you go. He's going down. See you later.
Be advised.
See you
I've
later,
spotted enemy
sweetheart.
machine gunners. Due east of
Damn!
There's a lot of them. There's I see 7 of them.
Mine's getting hard for Charlie. I have no idea.
I got one. I got one.
Shit!
Hey,
Tank coming
Charlie.
my way!
I got a scan of Charlie.
Oh, it's a boat.
BTR in the water.
This bitch ain't dead.
Wait.
And it's a mama.
Beautiful hit. Beautiful. That BTR just hit the water. I'm still getting hit. Nah, boy. shit, that's a machine gun.
He's on the stairs in the water. He's trying to get up to Echo. He's right in front of your boat. Whoever's driving that boat.
There's a hostile sniper east of your position.
There's a sniper on top of the building next to the circle building, the lower one.
I see them, I got them spotted out.
Impact seconds away.
I got another mess down.
I'm going for the C4 on this motherfucking tank. I'm going for the C4. Oh shit.
Why are all these tanks just sitting here? Come on, man, let's go. What the fuck?
Shit! Damn! Woo!
Holy shit.
Woo! Woo! Dude, use the beacon on Alpha,
Is
guys.
anybody gonna fucking help?
I'm taking Alpha, dude. I'm wrecking Alpha. Fuck, he's the beacon over there.
Fucking Charlie.
Oh shit, we're trying to hold all objective on these end, man. We got a tank, I'm taking this bitch. Oh shit, they took a
Come
tank.
back and win this.
Yeah, we're holding, I'm trying to hold Alpha off. I'm using my beacon and shit over by Alpha, man. Use it if you can. We got a tank
Watch
upstairs
out,
and shit.
behind you.
Be advised, objective Alpha is neutralized.
Oh shit, these guys is...
Oh shit! Look at the kill feed! I murdered everything! Use the beacon on Alpha, guys. Come on, get some kills done in Alpha.
They got a drone over.
Like the whole squad just now. I see the gunboat.
I hit that shit too with a tow missile. Fucking nothing.
Because you have enemies.
Damn tank.
You have to move. There's two support guys.
Tia, make one pattern no go.
You got
Yeah,
one.
I'm not watching a
across
kitchen.
the
Watch a
water
kitchen
from
into
Charlie, he's in between Delta and Echo.
You hear me, Terps?
Guy fell off the
About to hit the
roof.
stairwell.
Terps. Turbit. You hear me, sir?
He lost.
Oh,
You say look at
sorry,
Stinky.
man. Oh. I thought
Big
I stole your
Stinky.
kill. I didn't see it there. No problem, man.
Tia, take a equalizer for me, man. Am I there, man? Hey, look at the pot.
I was like, I started
Shoot,
shooting,
what
I'm
the
like,
fuck is wrong with this?
kill.
Hey, Turbs. No, je peux le couper there, man. Somebody else will keep it in the floor.
Spot it out. Okay, copy that.
2 seconds,
Dropping
guys. I'm
a
just
on Alpha.
making something there.
Damn, we still have to steal.
Munch.
Look at this shit,
Huh?
bro.
It takes time. Nobody's good at first. Gotta crawl before you walk, man.
No, I got creep.
Okay, or lamp will creep before you. Oh shit, I see him. Yep. Oh fuck, there was 2 of them. Yeah. I almost had 1, but they got me.
Alright. Where the war going on? Hey, good. Use the beacon down on Alpha. Use the beacon. They don't know it's there. Just spawn around and move away. Oh, fuck. They found it now.
God damn it. Somebody fucking take care of that boat already, bro.
Somebody needs to take care of the sniper.
Vehicle over on
See the boat. Boat is on Charlie. I'm going for him. Oh, fuck. He sighted me coming.
Forget that guy. Go, bro.
Okay, let's move.
Is he shooting at you?
Yeah,
he's not gonna
fucking
let you
boat
get him.
just shooting the shit at me.
East of your location, there's an enemy chopper.
Backing up or Lambo. Back.
He's coming, he's coming, he's coming, I know.
I can't believe between all of us, can't fucking...
Only all Lambos take each other. I'm not even RPG, dude. I'm just working sniper class. The boat is to my right now. I'm going for him. I'm swimming out there. I'm going. I'm going. Come on! Hey, don't fuck it up, dude. Don't fuck it. Hey, there's a guy in the water beside me. There's a guy in the water beside me.
God, I got him distracted. Get him, Orlando.
Blow! Boat is there. This guy just come out of the water. This guy in the water. Die, bitch. You ain't escaping, motherfucking Palestine, bitch. Woo! Took a whole boat out. Hey, guy in objective! Die, bitch. Nice teamwork. Nice teamwork. We're gonna win this, boys. We're gonna win this. Come on, we need to win this. We need to go Delta or some shit. We got Charlie. Where Matt go? Matt rage quit. He rage quit on us again. Oh. Yeah. There's a sniper way in the back of Alpha. Look at him over there. Sniper way over there. You guys see him? Hit him with a fucking HE launcher. Hey guys, see that sniper?
There's a machine gunner east of your position. We've just neutralized objective Alpha.
Oh, yeah, we definitely got more bases.
There's an
We
enemy
won
anti-tank
this.
soldier west of you.
We won this.
Looks
Oh
like
shit,
there's
yeah.
multiples over away.
We got eel over us, eel over us, eel over us, and guys shooting. Fuck me. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That's been lost.
Mine is high.
Mine is.
Have eyes on hostile LAV.
I got
Mine's
mine
at
at
45.
Mine's at 120.
How do you have it 120?
I didn't touch that bitch, that bitch
Rambo.
move. I'm fucking with you, man. What's up, man?
Orlando, make some room for me.
Game done. I'm in the picture jumping like a motherfucker. Mine, I don't remember what mine's at, but it's not too high, not too low. What's that? New division record. New personal scores, recon. I know what you mean.
Yeah, I played with my shit on 100. Like, I started off like on 30, and then
We're doing
like,
Shanghai again?
I just gradually kept.
Is it
raising
Shanghai?
it. I raised it like 3 points, 5 points, 4
I don't think
points.
so.
And then from 30, I'm all the way at 100 now, and I can't play on anything less.
Oh, 29 and
you can't do that.
16 recon
Yeah.
class a bit.
You're not used to the speed. Like, you gotta do it like in increments. You gotta gradually do it to get yourself used to it. Because if you're gonna go from 50 to the 100, yeah, well that's. And when I got to 100, I can't play on anything less. I feel like I'm being dragged when I turn.
What squad you guys in?
Alpha on Russia.
Oh, come on, fucked up. Like I said, I'm messing about. You didn't hear me. Yeah, mine is probably about. Who's in the healer? Wait! Mine is. Let me see. I'm setting. Option. Control. Sensitivity. Mine is at 50. No, mine is quick enough as well. You know, it's okay for me at the moment. Mine is perfect. I need a ride. Somebody give me a ride.
I've now taken objective Charlie.
Put some color.
You selfish
color on your
bastards.
Get back in. Get in. Get in. Get in.
Where's
Get
the
in.
though? Hey, dude, where you at? Come here, bitch. You bastard.
You can put the color on your crosshairs.
Hilo right there in front of us.
You can put red on the
Got him.
dot in the center too.
I got him.
Man, I gotta run all the way over there, dudes.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
We've neutralized objective Charlie.
I have to run all the way from spawn, dude. Shit.
Атаковать эту цель сразу же!
There's not even a Jeep here I could jump in and drive up. Fucking hell. Man, I have to run from spawn, come all the way up here. I'm still alive. I'll be pissed off if I run all that way and get killed, I didn't even get a kill.
Go, 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 go!
There's a BTR at Charlie.
I see something on Charlie. Yeah, you're right. There's something on Charlie behind the back of it. Put some mines down here.
There's enemy sniper north of your
Oh, fuck, I
position.
put up on top of
Oh
it.
my God, man. Not what I wanted.
Stuff in there.
Whoa.
Enemy helicopter.
There's a guy by the
That was
fucking,
the guy behind me there.
There's two guys sniping. I'll get him now. Oh shit, somebody took the fucking...
Where's that bitch? He was right here somewhere. Where the fuck was he?
North of your position. I spotted an enemy machine gunner.
Oh, the two of them! Oh! Now I'm gonna see where the kids chilling out, playing some video games online, you know? Okay, I got one of these tanks down here.
There you go. Come up closer, BTR. Whoever that is on the road, get him.
I got a tank up top.
Вижу, танк, вражеский.
Get it?
We got boat.
Yeah.
Boat dead. We got a jet coming across, guys. We got something on Delta too.
Атакуйте эту цель.
Hey, Ozzy, you got a tank somewhere over there. Where the hell is he?
Атакуйте эту цель. Атакуйте эту цель. Обнаружен вражеский солдат. We've control objective Charlie. We've control objective Charlie. To east of your location, there is an enemy machine gun.
Helo coming in.
It's like, oh shit. Damn.
No fly zone. No fly zone. Come on, dude. Move, AA.
Enemy tank east of your location. Надо атаковать, это тут цель.
AA, move. There's a goddamn tank.
Обнаружен вражеский танк.
I can't hit this tank. What the fuck is wrong? What the fuck is going on? This tank can hit me, but I can't hit him.
East of your position. Left of the enemy chop.
Guy right here in front of us. Come on, Blueberry. Fucking shoot, bro.
What the fuck was that?
Enemy machine gunner east of your location.
Обнаружен вражеский солдат!
South of your location there appears to be enemy machine gunner.
I saw you coming, bitch. I saw that one running. That's why I don't play laser lights, man. Laser light give your position away. I was gonna reload my small. Next thing I see a laser light coming my way. Yeah.
Stop playing with the laser sight.
No, don't run laser sight. That shit just sell you out. It's a snitch.
There's a boat at Charlie.
Hold on, guys. Just in the kitchen making something to eat. Yeah. Now go into some physical plate for me, now, man.
Oh, somebody took it.
There's enemies over there with you, guys. Enemies over here with you. Who's dog?
Yep, I got one.
Tell that.
Enemy tank north of your location.
Where that dog shut up? Poochie. Tapping eyes, Poochie. We are kill right now, Poochie. Tapping eyes. Talking Jamaican language so she understand. Poochie, tapping eyes. We are play a game.
Poochie, calm down.
Oh, we got big ass tank shell came.
You
Holy
got me.
shit. He got you? Another one came in.
The
I'm not safe over his side. I
whatever.
need to go on the other side of the objective.
Vehicle coming in. Southeast on Charlie.
Whoa! Let's put some slams over here.
Whoever's in the tank behind me.
Elo dead.
We no longer have control over objective Bravo.
Oh! What did I kill? Was that jet? Was that jet?
You got an LAV. No, you got an LAV, man.
Oh, bitch! I'll put some slams down that bastard drive over there on it quickly. I'll put some more down, huh? I thought it was a jet trying to ram you guys. I only got two.
There's a guy behind us.
Yep, I see him. Not visually, but I see him on the map. Oh, there. Two. Got one. Got two.
Good, alright, Orlando.
I got one.
Yes, sir.
Going around the back outside. Try to
Jumping in this boat. Sniper from the rooftop.
There's an enemy tank east of your position.
There's a tank in the back.
I know. I need to swim across. I would.
Oh my god.
Clear rooms.
Now control the vehicle.
I got problems, man. I got problems like a motherfucker, man.
Due east of your current position.
Oh, we got guys on my right.
There's a tank by Bravo.
The two guys in front of me. Don't let them tear you up, boy. You do the killing. I have to give my video up, you know, my enjoyment, this and relaxation. Not come make no noise after me. Turn off that backside. You know, you think I hear it? Hey, bitch, come back. Come back and die like a man. Here, shut up, man. 45 rounds, bitch. Hardball. Oh shit, I'm dead. Give him some 45 rounds. What the fuck?
He's right there.
The two of them, huh? Double kill assist. Holy shit, I couldn't kill one.
Here, rep me, Willie.
Across the river, towards the end of the Bravo. Yeah, check him out, bugger.
Right here. Right outside. Right here.
Road kill him. Hardball! Ah! Worthless! Workless! You're workless! There's another one right here. Is he dead? Dude, I need ammo. I need ammo.
Rep me. I need rep. Sneak.
Oh, here he is.
No, that sneaky guy that left our fucking
Elo.
BTR, he just left without repping, man.
Oh, there's another one. Oh my god, man, I was under the street, dude. Shit. Dude, I'm 15 and 3.
Oh wow.
Oh shit, I got picked up. There's a motherfucker right here. Where is he? Nice, I need some ammo. Give me your gun. I need some ammo.
1 in 11.
Hey dude, I'm out. I'm joining ammo.
Сюда, патроны! Мне нужны патроны!
Nobody got ammo?
Давайте патроны!
We're all engineer.
Давай вытащи меня отсюда.
Must be a blueberry ammo.
Snipe that.
Yep, I'm getting a lot of sniper rounds, man. Lot. I need to find some ammo back, man. Shit.
Сюда!
Fuck. Hey, we got a guy in the power plant. Hey, on left side, Jenna. Left side, Jenna.
I see it.
Whoa! Evasive maneuver.
Damn, I got that shit covered. Oh, fuck, I should have hit me with a beat. Shit.
I got a hit on that tank.
I'm getting my ass kicked, man. I got 12 and 3 going.
Counter the kill.
They got out that tank. Get it. Come on, blueberries, get in there. Fuck.
Oh my god, I just killed all of them. I just killed all of them on Delta. Orlando, spawn me on Delta. I need you back up.
Hold on a minute, guys. I see eating some noodles.
Hell yeah, we're taking Delta right now.
Oh my god, my fucking
Get him,
thing
man.
hit her.
Get him,
I'm
man.
gonna.
We've taken objective Delta.
We got love, we got love. Shit, we got love. Hey, shit, go on foot, go on foot. Fucking go on foot.
Spotted a hostile sniper. He's
No,
in your
let him
position.
fix it for me.
I was gonna take his tag, bitch. Huh? We got love around here, dudes. We got love on me. Love on Orlando. Love on Orlando.
We have neutralized objective Charlie.
okay?
Alright, I'm in the heli. Who needs help?
The Lava and Bravo, the Delta.
One second.
You're on the roof on Delta.
And I can't let go. I've been lost. Oh, hello.
Due west of your current position.
You lucky piece of shit.
I almost had him, Orlando. Sorry.
He's repairing it, he's repairing it, he's repairing it. Look at the fucking tank right there. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm going back for the Elo, you know, where is he? He's on fire again.
We're gonna
He's
take
dead.
it. I'm on top of it with somebody else.
Taking control of objective Bravo.
Back down.
Damn it! Oh, I got him! Sweet multi-kill.
Oh, I see.
All right, nice job. Oh, 3% life.
Damn, we almost had that.
Core soldier.
Oh,
Let's move. Come on, right now. Go, go, go.
rest kill. Bolt.
Oh no, Slam is not on this bridge.
Sniper.
Heli by the dam. He's gonna come right out from the top of it right now. See it?
This motherfucker.
There we go.
Real mukut. No you. Big Elo coming my way. Bravo. Get ready to shoot. Oh shit, bridge is out.
Гранату!
Put some paint on him. I can take him down real quick.
He
Lock
killed
him up
me,
with some paint.
he killed me
You want
before I
to
could
go
even
that
fire.
route?
Вражеский вертолет вижу!
Hit him. Oh, fucking lucky
I
bitch.
got him. I got him.
Gong me. He blow.
Yeah.
Got behind me too. Holy shit. God damn, where did he come from? He was not in that Elo.
Oh, Danny with the mind kill. Means that. Oh shit.
Who's over here in charge? Got lab, we got lab.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, the fuck is shooting? Something is shooting me. Something is shooting from the back. That lab is on a circling motion. I hear a boat too.
Gotta get control.
The lab is over this side by me.
I've located a hostile LAV.
The lab is right by our laptop. He's coming around to you guys.
Got the fucking bomber finally.
Got a hit. Got him.
I've taken objective
Stop this streak at 12. We got a guy on foot over here with us, man.
Your locations, there's an enemy boat.
Him dead? We got rip boat coming in on another lap. Holy shit.
You're helping.
We got helo coming in.
Обнаружена вражеская вертушка.
Get Bravo.
Hey, we got guys on foot, guys on foot.
I spotted a hostile in the tank soldier north of
Come
your
on, guys, I need your help.
Got two.
Oh my god, I almost had that
Helo right here.
hurt.
I know.
Oh my god.
No fly zone on my
There you go, I
slams.
got him.
With my slams.
I got him.
He landed on my slams. No fly zone. Bitch. Right on my slams. Holy shit.
Yo, get the
Oh, that's the third time. That's the third time I ever did that shit.
Yo, I seen that shit.
All right,
That
boat
bitch just
coming our way.
landed right on
There's
the
a
slams.
boat. There's a boat coming our way, bro.
Yeah, I see him on a jet too, some shit.
Incredible.
Yeah, that was phenomenal. Ah, I'm dead now. Come on, drop around my slams.
Oh my god, shit.
Got somebody on film. One shot.
Come on, man, bomber. What the fuck are you doing, man? My own fucking bomber rams me.
Marcus.
Fucking believable, bro.
Now, one to you.
Objective Echo is
Danny, get him.
enemy in that tank soldier.
Is it out there?
Be advised, we now control objective Delta.
Yo, X-Ray, why aren't you in our party, man? In our squad?
You guys are full up.
Oh, man, we're gonna kick somebody.
Ah, shit,
one
look
of
out. We
us.
got a chop right outside.
I need a gunner.
I gotta get out of here.
I advise on enemy helicopter.
You got a guy over here on this side.
Of your position.
I need a gunner.
We have just lost control of objective.
He's in the middle.
Come on, get
He's in the
that.
middle of the same floor. Window side, water.
Remember, audio is harder, you're picking always feed it. The one reason why they put it on picking up for what, mate? Medicine available points that keep
He's
out the reach
right
of
there in
children.
front of us, bro.
What's that time I tell you, man? Still, I don't know. I don't know what you're
Look
going
at
to learn.
that shit, bro. I'm fucking popping my fucking smoke, man.
Sniper on the rooftop on Delta, man. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. There's one coming up behind me. There's one coming up behind me. He's up here already. He's up here already. Fuck, 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 fuck. Bumbo clout, you lucky pussy. See if it's not get you coming up.
Get rid of Sneaky.
Get the fuck out of here.
Please. When mama run there, do you know you find him today that blood club? I said to you, I call him. I said yes. I said yes. Your man, when your man the boat, you know, you find you know. I can take me a rascal at big head mukut. I'm telling nobody, nobody tell him, nobody take him for that.
Squad leader. Dump Sneaky.
Dump Sneaky.
Gotcha. Gotcha, 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 gotcha. Oh shit! Wrong person. John, hey dude, John back in. John back in. Who was that? Ozzy or who did I accidentally kick? John back in. John back in, my bad, my bad. I was rushing. John back in.
Jamaican.
Nah, I was messing up, but I was rushing it and trying to roll a John quickly and accidentally kick the wrong person.
No, you said you're Russian. I thought you were Jamaican.
Hey, John back in before somebody take it.
He knew I was coming.
We got big elo, Mac.
Okay, I see it.
This bitch is right here again.
No, I see.
Hit something! Oh my god! Where's the damn boat? Let's get rid of this fucking boat.
Oh, Jan!
Boat is disabled. Boat is dead.
Hey, look what the... Look what...
We just lost control
Yeah,
of
there's
objective Alpha.
fucking right over here. Oh,
Oh my god, man! Oh
What?
my god!
What did the dog do?
It wasn't the dog, it was a ferret. Spilled a big cup of juice all over the coffee table.
A ferret?
Jasper. Jasper's on the move.
Jasper's on the move.
Hang on, he's right.
This bitch
ferret.
DMR'd me off the boat. Lucky shot. You got a ferret in your house? Putting it up around me sitting there.
They got us.
What do you mean they got us? We could still win this.
They took all the 4 big.
We can't come back from this.
Nah.
Shit.
Let me go quickly roll a
You
little.
guys act like it's a whole bunch.
Dude, if I said we can't come back, we can come back. You know this, man.
Oh, my earbuds. Those are the only earbuds I have. They're like barely.
No worry, Mac will buy you a new earbud. Ain't that right, Mac? You buy a new earbud for her, ain't it? Mac, join back the squad, man. What's wrong with your hearing, boy?
Надо атаковать эту цель. Атаковать эту цель. Objective Alpha is neutralized. Атаковать эту цель! Check-in, we have control of objective Alpha. Атаковать эту цель! Best of your current location is enemy helicopter.
Oh, we gave the shot with the hill.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I'm in the picture. Yes, my jet flew through the picture. And up and away.
I'm not here to play no games.
You know what, TT?
Need me 4 more boat kills to get my fucking SR2. $17, $18. I mean, my KD was bad, but I'm up there in points. $8 and $21. Yeah, that's bad. Wow, X-Ray did good though. He's 20 and 8. Or Lambo too, 21 and 12.
Right on.
Other one life me have to live. And you too. So we grow up, you can't sit down and wait for people and pour food in life to please people. No. Think about you. You are number one. So me I think about me. But your mother want to take me for idiot. You see me? Like you are using head, which me already smart. You can sit down and make man stress him out.
Ooh, I like this map.
Yeah, Zavada.
Maxi Priest and Shaba. Hey, yo,
This
Max.
was a goodie good.
Mark, where say? If I love you looking for, she buck up on the right, man. I love you looking for, you buck up on the right. Yeah, man. Yeah, the white boy there, Bob. I go and make you explode just like a bomb every hour, every minute, and every second. They call me Mr. Loverman, them call me Mr. Loverman.
Mr. Loverman, yeah. Jamming.
Yes, I'll give you the next one. Probably you guys don't know this one. Ting-a-ling-a-ling. School bell ring.
School bell ring.
Knife and fork and fight with dumpling.
Booyaka, booyaka. Oh yeah, I like that one. I don't understand what the hell he said, but I like that song.
Basically saying them farmers are dead. Killing farmers.
That's him to see again.
My daughter wants to hear you guys singing it again. What's up? What's up? Plastic coaching for the lip and
Ain't that go well?
come on. Bang 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 bang. Whatever you say. It was a cool and breezy, lonely afternoon. Hey shit. Oh shit, I fucked up. I got wrong class. I got the wrong class.
How about that song Murder She Wrote? Murder She Wrote.
Murder She Wrote.
Sing that one. You know that one.
Ah, this dude said Murder She Wrote is a TV show. Holy shit. I know it is, dude, but damn, we're not talking about the TV show. We're talking about the music. You crazy ass motherfucker. That old woman, she's dead now, isn't it?
Oh, get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, I was just saying that. Yeah.
Past Marcos Cube.
Yeah, I was just going doom 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 doom.
Yeah, naturally. Which song is that? The Aborigines? I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Get the oh god, I'm
Humpty dance is your chance to do the hump.
What? Let's see what we got.
okay.
Whoa!
Let's
Oh shit. Who's an alpha?
Let me get some rep. Alright.
oh, we ain't got nothing at the back, dude. We need to go to
Damn it.
Okay, I'm gonna run spawn beacon. Dude, we need to get. What's that burning smell?
Your thingy! Jesus Christ! You're so disabled!
So I said, nah, bro. I'm here smoking a spliff, dude, and the weed smell funny. I'm like, asking my daughter, what the fuck is that burning smell? She's like, it's your weed. Did you guys hear me asking her what is that burning smell? Can I smell something burning? This fucking helo.
Fuego, fuego, fire, fire.
Oh, no fly zone, bitch. Going down.
Oh, in my back, Mr. Benjamin Franklin.
See you later.
Who's running engineer kit? Hey, Mark.
Mr. Hilo. What?
Did you just kill him with this thing?
Yes, I did.
Is this thing really just sitting there? Like, what kind of idiot are you?
Dude, they're everywhere on us, man. What the fuck?
Whoa!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Get the fuck
Yo,
out.
they got every single
Dude.
I'm switching sides. Alright, time to go.
I'm spawning on the fucking I'm recon class. I'm over on alpha. I'm on alpha, spawn on me, man.
Wow.
I'm Foxtrot, I'm on Foxtrot, spawn on me, sorry, not alpha, Foxtrot.
Alright, I'm at Foxtrot now.
I put a beacon down right over here.
Objective Foxtrot was neutralized.
Okay.
Objective Foxtrot is now under our control.
I'll see you, bitch. I want that tag. I want that tag, motherfucker. Where'd he go? Oh, he's dead. There's a helo above me. Helo.
Yeah,
Trying to get him.
Try shooting at it.
He's pinning me down.
Yeah, he
I
got me.
almost got his ass. I almost got him with the fucking tow missile that's by the corner building.
Objective Echo is neutralized.
Deep, son? Who you think you is, son?
Got him.
Stadium?
Fucking love, there's a love.
Oh,
Got him. I got his ass.
I had
Fuck, you thought he was gonna stay there? Just shoot all day long?
Fucking love behind me. Come on.
I need people to strap on the javelins. I'm gonna start painting targets.
Oh yeah, is that what you're doing?
Yeah, I'm gonna have
You're
to.
gonna put a strap on?
Yeah. Since I have it, you have to receive.
Oh, so you're bitching and catching, huh?
Yeah. Hey, the helo's painted. Somebody take him out, bro.
Yeah. Okay.
Anything. Damn it.
Check a grenade on him, guys. Check a grenade on him.
I sent the missile over there.
See this bitch.
I just got some dog tags.
Get those tizzies.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's how it goes, I think. The person giving it isn't gay, but the person taking it is gay.
Hey, you guys on YouTube, remember?
Oh, where we got, yeah. Live stream.
They would mess my shit up.
Enemy chopper insecure position.
Payback, bitch. Haha, bitch. These nuts, motherfucker.
Oh, that RPG just missed.
I got him for you. That pop out. Fuck
this
that.
Son of a bitch got me. Oh, you
Alright, helo's gonna be painted right now.
I'm down. I'm down.
Above Echo. Come on, guys.
I ain't got nothing for it, man.
Nobody got nothing for this heli?
No.
He's about to come over here and...
I'm running snapping class, man.
Oh my god. Nobody.
Right here. It doesn't matter. It's countermeasure. One person shooting at it ain't gonna help. It's gonna drop countermeasures.
I got a tank. I wanna go get me some C4.
I have javelin, but
Javelin will do it.
yeah, I know. But
he
the
had
last time
thermal
I shot
optics.
he just dropped countermeasures. I can only reload so fast.
Alright, let's try it again right now. Paint it.
Where at? Let's see.
Charlie, Echo.
Copy that.
I showed that before, yeah, Alban.
Oh,
I love that show.
flying low.
Oh, yeah, watch.
You got served.
Power.
Netflix.
I want to sit in here, run. Tap's got my internet.
Alright, again.
No, two different sitting here button.
No. I got
I'm
shot.
dead.
Me too.
Hey, use it spawn beacon on Foxtrot. Dudes, come on, use the beacon, motherfuckers. Going for this tank. Going for this tank. Use the bacon, use the bacon. Hello, bitch. He fucking jumped out. Motherfucker jumped out. That motherfucker, where is he? Where is he? Sit your ass down. Payback, bitch. Tank is dead. Elo's still alive. I can hear him.
We've just neutralized objective Foxtrot.
Oh, underneath the stairs, you rat bitch bastard.
They're looking for the beacons.
I'm over here on Alpha. Taking Alpha.
Give me a attack, pussy.
Rat bastard.
Did you get him? Good. The guy
Elo.
unbelievable.
Son of a bitch, man.
Ours did not work.
Oh, you used to play Mag? Yeah, I used to be on that game.
Hey, I want to buy World War 3. You guys see World War 3 for PC?
We've just neutralized objective Charlie.
That shit looks like that shit meant Battlefield for look like
Mag was ahead of its time, man.
I see it was a multiplayer game, innit?
That was one of the most sickest multiplayer games I ever played, man. That game.
What's it called?
Mag. The PlayStation 3. No. 256 in one room. 128 versus 128. It was insane, man. 256 players in one room. Yo. It was just like, yo, the map was massive, man. You had so much going on, man. Mag was the shit, man. They shut that game was ahead of its time. That was the problem with it, man. Such a...
Hey guys, you're not helping me over here on Foxtrot, motherfuckers. I need you over here.
Nah, they shut the servers down. I mean, it had to be a business thing and stuff. Cause look, there's Battlefield and Call of Duty still running. Like Battlefield, like
damn Hilo.
Honestly, like 32 versus 32. You're not doing 128 versus 128, and that was on PlayStation 3. Oh shit.
Woo! Got a multi-kill.
Yeah. Yeah, it was cool, that game. Alright, I'm spawning on Delta. I'm on the roof of Delta. Oh, I forgot to switch my thing.
I'm gone. Ah.
Oh, fuck.
I just killed that guy with my mic. I shot this guy with a shotgun and I cut my mic out.
Yeah. Yeah, that game was cool. Damn. Oh, they got a beacon over there on that tower.
Yeah,
That's
I
what
know.
it is, man.
The helo should take it out, man. Oh, there's a fucking...
Yeah, he should, right? Like, what, he's worrying about taking the base, man. Oh, look, enemy right there.
Now
Give me the
control
back
objective
to the
Foxtrot.
tower.
Take that lock, take that lock, take that lock, take that lock.
Compromise button.
The guy just pulled up, guy just pulled up.
Oh, I got him.
Nice.
He's down. He's down.
Helicopter, helicopter.
I see it. I see it. I have nothing for it.
Oh shit, lucky bitch. What's that? Tank. Shit, shit. Turn and go.
I got reps.
I got a truck at the back.
Yeah, me and my boys just all meet up. He would bring his PS3 and we would just play mag for hours.
Hey, somebody can spawn at me on my echo.
Goddamn Elo. Oh, we need to get out. We got a tank in front.
Tank. Alright, copy that.
Yep, tank. I'm behind him.
I have javelin.
Oh shit.
Careful, enemy.
There's a guy right here.
See him? Damn. Alright, locking on. Boom. That tank is hurt. That tank is hurt.
The one at Foxtrot?
Yeah, Foxtrot, yep.
I'm going towards Charlie and
I don't think he has an active shield.
I'm gonna spawn another engineer just for the sealer.
Yep, he's hurt. Okay.
He's done.
No fly.
He's done.
Right on top of me, this bitch drop. Right on top of me, bitch.
Done. Got him.
Yeah, I put rockets towards him. And there's an AA in the back.
22 kill streak stopped.
Oh, I got knifed.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Hey, put Goldman next.
No.
Marker.
No.
What's a metro? Some rush.
Metro. Whoa, Metro. Yeah.
If I put you on Metro, half the server would go. No, see how long it take to fill on DLC maps this morning? Not to put you onto normal maps.
What's a
No, I put you on. No, the
Gunmaster
other day we had the server full, and I put you onto some DLC like Metro and shit. Holy shit, the server went half of it disappeared.
Why
Wow.
don't you put it on Silk Road?
Like I said, I
No,
put on
that's what he
DLC.
say. You put on the DLC maps, yeah.
I put on DLC maps, half of the server disappear.
I don't understand how, like, how many years people been playing this game, they still don't have premium. Or don't want premium. Like, it doesn't make sense.
yeah.
Yeah.
5 years, 6 years.
Yeah, make up a coffee now. Yeah.
That's crazy, man.
I got all that stuff for free.
Huh? Huh? Hold on. Yeah. Vi tänker ta en kaffe för en kaffe där.